Started a bit late, but hi guys, we're at Bentley Station in Yorkshire with Shane, Andrew and Joe. I'm now just way up on our 1 Delta 07.
Yep, 10:54 East Coast.
Heavily delayed,
Kings
10:54.
to Leeds. At Leeds you want it. It's already now 12 minutes.
Well, we have a green signal.
There. It's to Leeds though.
Leeds is that way. And we have a green signal that way.
Yeah, green up there.
Hey
What's
Joe,
this side?
the next train is our train after this.
There it is. Over there yonder. Yes, we're ready for the 82. The apparent mail's not decided to deliver me any mail, so buggers to that.
I think I hear something.
I'm at the station now, joining me, bud?
Oh god, I think I hear it. Sorry, what's about running?
Please stand well clear of the edge of the platform.
Here it is.
Yay! To Bentley.
Travel South Yorkshire. Bentley. Northern.
The next train is my train out of here. I'll do the Ian Pool for that bugger it.
Which is actually just at Adwick.
Yeah, just having credit to the part out.
Who?
What?
That means Joe probably won't make it.
I hope not.
Okay, who do we have?
True Leeds is a Spark.
91, 128. 200 to Leeds and...
Up they go. And Joe walks into a barrier. Nice. And thanks guys for seeing this video.